Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. And grammar is kind of bit bad, so this video is Q&A. So thank you for 311 subs. So let's start now, guys. Okay, let's go to the first one. What color do you like and motivation of making video? My favorite color is black and purple and pastel purple, crayon red and white. That's all. And motivation making video, let's go to the number 2. Where do you get inspired to make MFFX gacha videos? Usually, I don't have any spark to make MFFX gacha videos, but I usually like to make MFF mix like that. So let's go on in number 3. What apps did you use to make a video? I'm using apps to making a video is CapCut. And how many OCs you have? I have OCs only 3. Yeah, like that. So let's go on number 4. What's your favorite colored? Still the same in number 1. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is adobo. Adobo food is from Philippines. Just search it on Google. 5th one. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is dogs. Yeah. Let's go in number 6. What inspired to make a channel? My inspired make to channel is Strawberry, my older sister. Yeah, let's go in 7th one. Last one. Question: what is your favorite main OC part? My main OC part is Strawberry. Inspired by iCherry 2. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for 311 subs. I really appreciated that. Thank you, guys. Bye.